वेलकम बैक एवरीवन। सो अपने पुराने घिसे पिटे कवर को रीसेट करने के लिए वी नीड ऑफ कोर्स मोबाइल कवर, ब्लैक नेल पेंट, वाइट नेल पेंट, eyeliner, dry brush, maroon nail polish, and let's start now. So apply nail paint on your mobile cover back and give a complete coat over it and let it dry for a few minutes. Similarly, you can give a black coat, white coat, or a color of your choice and see it looks lovely. I don't have a printer, so I am sketching the image on the cover and sketch the cartoon of your choice. I am making this image. So sketching is almost done, and now take that dry eyeliner brush and dip that in that nail paint. I'm using white nail paint this time, and I am covering and making an outline of my image with this white nail paint, and I'm going to do this overall because I'm not going to apply colors because I have no printer or I have no colorful printing material. I just simply made an outline and just put a few highlights of colors or glitters. Then give a final touch with a black marker. I am loving this cover and I hope you too. Till then, take care and bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share.